Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby bassinet that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Delta. The top pick on our list is the Delta bassinet, which is made of high-quality wood. For its features, durability, and comfort, we recommend this product as our best choice. This bassinet has a great aesthetic to it. The edges are much higher than some other models. You could use this bassinet till your kid is roughly 5 months old. Delta Children Classic Baby Bassinet could be the best option for you if you're feeding your baby or need to get to your infant as their screams wake up the rest of your family. This functional bassinet connects to your mattress and keeps your infant within Delta Classic. In addition, it has a customizable belt that slips beneath your bed to keep spaces between your bed and the sleeper at a minimum. You can leave its edges off whenever you wish to be used as a co-sleeper, but you can quickly bring them back down if you need them in some other room throughout the day. It contains a bottom rack for baby wipes, nappies, and an additional change of clothing in case your baby has accidents. This Delta bassinet reviews says that you can move this from floor to floor with ease, and it also has a stopper so your older kids can't pull your baby along while you're not looking. The best affordable bassinet and a smooth, reusable sheet are included in the bassinet. The provided bed is light and stiff, similar to a play yard. Delta Classic is easy to move around the room even without having wheels on the bottom. At number 4. Fisher-Price. Whether you were looking for a more compact mobile play yard with a traditional bassinet, you finally find it. Fisher-Price is the best bassinet with a canopy. It's ideal for picnics, camping, and a day at the seaside, as well as playgroups. Dome comes with various linked toys that will keep your baby occupied while also improving and developing fine motor control. The baby is completely safe and comfortable within the dome. That's since it has a soft pad for your child to rest or explore on, as well as a dome to keep them safe from the sunlight and mosquitoes. This bassinet can be used both indoors and outdoors. 2 bright toys hang from the ceiling to promote eye-tracking technology. The toys could be taken and placed within range of the infant so that they can explore the texture. Young mothers must keep the Fisher-Price outdoor bassinet at home. It provides anything newborns want for a peaceful nap, comfortable playtime, or thrilling playtime. It would occupy less space, and the dome canopy makes it perfect for outdoor activities. It's pretty simple and easy to transport in the vehicle. It shouldn't fold down tiny enough to carry everywhere but does fold it up compact enough to transport from place to place. It's great for babies who aren't yet moving. At number 3. Graco. Graco focuses on making it easier to keep your kid comfy while traveling. The Graco Pack Pliers on the Go features a detachable full-sized movable bassinet ideal for resting babies and automated foldable feet and rollers that make it an ideal choice for travel. This combo bassinet and playpen is a terrific alternative if you want plenty of area for the baby to develop within. We could use this famous Graco design for far longer than the first 3 months of your child's growth. Then, you won't be worried about your kid being too confined in the full-sized bassinet. It folded quickly with the press of a button whenever you need to carry it with you on the highway. Even if you would like to transfer that from place to place, it includes rollers that make it simple. The Super Duper Fold, a trademark of Graco, the best bassinets for babies, is a favorite among mothers worldwide. This clever innovation allows you to rapidly, effortlessly, even without fuss, dismantle the kids' play yard. These top-rated bassinets include a toy bar with baby toys to keep your child occupied and entertained. The video format will delight your baby, and you will love to watch them playing. At number 2. Colababy. The Colababy baby bassinet is the best option for breastfeeding mothers. You can use this baby bassinet in the living room, bedroom, or traveling. This cot mattress can be placed wherever your child wants to sleep peacefully. This bedside cot has 5 geared modification levels that are scientifically proven. You can effortlessly fit this napping bassinet to the bed with its customizable 5 levels. It will be simpler for you to manage your infant, though in the middle of the night if you do this. The portable crib's innovative and adaptable design makes it suitable for both newborns and caregivers. You can instantly transform this top bassinet into a bedside mattress by raising and lowering the zipper. It fits snugly against your mattress in a bedside sleeper configuration, making it suitable for a baby and feeding mother. Following feeding the baby bassinet is designed to assist new moms in going back to bed faster. Constructed quiet global rollers with brakes are included with our infant bed bassinet. The use of a bassinet with wheels allows families to move all around the crib more conveniently and securely without damaging the floor. At number 1. Dream on Me. Whether you're traveling with your baby, you'll be able to pack this and bring it along conveniently. This bassinet is also great for picnics because it comes with a dual canopy to keep mosquitoes away from the kid. The Dream On model will hold babies weighing up to 25 pounds, making it a long-term solution. It is, nevertheless, very light, making it a perfect choice for babies. In addition, mothers will be capable of transporting it to whichever room they require. We can put it up pretty quickly because it only takes minimal assembly, which would be convenient whether you're setting this up late pregnancy or post-birth. The spacious, modern baby bassinet has a changeable dual canopy to prevent insects at bay, as well as a massive storage bag to preserve your baby's belongings organized. The Carly is composed of simple, smooth, secure, and comfy polyester fabric. It comes in various stunning textures, allowing us to create the nurseries of your dreams. The Dream On Me bassinet weight limit is 12.4 pounds and is suitable for babies weighing up to 25 pounds. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.